Ako nag-warning talaga, please do not force my hand into it. I hate to do it. I do not want to do it. Pero pagka there will be loss of lives needlessly, tapos kawalang rason-rason just to kill, and kill, I will declare martial law in Mindanao. And if I declare martial law in Mindanao, I will solve all that ails the island. Hindi lang rebellion, pati boundary ng lupa, ko para isang to. And there will be no guarantee that it will not last until the end of my term. Kaya sabi ko, wag ninyo akong pipilitin. Kasi pag mag-declare ang ng martial law, pahirapan talaga. It's going to be a military takeover all over again. And I will not interfere except to give the orders to the direction of whether we go south, east, west, or north. Ang babalik yung aso, babalik yung raid na walang bahala, sabi ko. But do not ever tempt me to do it. Ayaw ko. Pero kung yung mga civilians, mga matay na paputok ka dito, paputok ka ng putang ina, talagang gawin ko rin. Gawin ko rin. Walang magawa. For every human life that is lost needlessly, carelessly, you'll have to pay for it. That's the only way.